And welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Dyson Sphere Program. Between last episode and this one, I went and did a little bit of research because I wanted planetary longistics. Now, one of the things that tripped me up about this is one of the requirements. Well, it was actually in here, and I looked for it because I needed vertical construction here. I had looked for it, but I hadn't spotted it over here, and then I happened to spot it in here. So, yeah, just keep that in mind for requirements that you might actually need something in one of the other systems. So, we got the planetary longistics built, which gives us access to some new things. Logistic drones. Yeah, that's gonna require a bunch of stuff. Let's see, where is that? The planetary logistic stations. For that, we're gonna need particle containers. Ooh, that's a lot of stuff. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff we're gonna need. I think for the most part I'm just going to need some raw materials and I can go from there. So lots of copper, iron, and let's get 6 copper, 6 iron. You know what? I might need some of them, so I'll just grab a stack of them. Don't think I'm going to need coal. Let's see. Probably going to need silk. I'm going to need silicone, which I don't have any stockpiled. And do I have everything needed to make this? No, there's actually a bunch of materials I need for this. Ooh, I need titanium ingots. Okay. Well, that's going to put a hamper in some things. So I need to find titanium. That's coal. Let's go on the star map. Let's see, that's got no titanium, no silicone. So I need to find titanium. Now I can get titanium from gravel, or I can get over here where there's titanium. And since I have no idea how to get over there, well, we're gonna have to work from over here. Okay. Let's dump this stuff off and start getting some of the other stuff automated. It's unfortunate that I have to do it this way, but nothing I can do about it. Okay. I got my other box over here. Let's just dump the rest of this stuff off. Okay, so kind of want to start making a bunch of Tesla towers, a bunch of wind turbines, a bunch of solar panels, a bunch of different things. So I think I'm going to turn around and look at that stuff. That's all pretty much dedicated straight to research. Uh-oh. You're not getting fuel. That's not good. That should get, make it so you guys will get fuel and keep it stockpiled. That's better. Okay. So, let's start getting things focus built. We got stone, we got iron, with 2 iron veins. We have another copper vein kicking around here somewhere. I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to want to start making some foundations, which means I'm going to need stone and steel. So let's get you put in place. I'll get you put in place. We'll get some more power. And I'm going to start work on, well, realistically something I spotted that should generate us a rather large amount of power. Okay, let's get a bunch of things. Actually, let's just go grab it from that extra stockpile. You see, I've gotten a little bit of titanium ore, but not a whole heck of a lot. It should be everything I need. Let's get 4 of you making right now. Get 10 of those making. Four of those. I think I'm gonna go. Start just making conveyor belts, which means I'm gonna need assemblers. And let's get storage Mark II. I'm probably going to need a couple of smelters, so let's get 4 of those. We'll then turn around and just chuck some wind in randomly. just to get some power up and running and get these things running. Now, where am I going to be setting that up specifically? Okay, so you're building in there quite contentedly. So I need those two as my ultimate goals. Let's actually make another 10 of those, because I have a feeling you're going to need them. And one of the things I need, really just to figure out where this thing's going to situate, because I want it on the equator, is I'm looking at these grid lines, and I'm looking for a really thick one. Not that that's very descriptive, but it's about as descriptive as I can get for it. Okay. Well, here's some more copper. This is the line I'm looking at. This one right here. This means I'm pretty much on the equator of this planet, which is good. I guess I'm going to have to build some of those. Ah, there they are. We'll get those, start setting up. And the reason I'm going to build here is because the sun's going to keep following this, and this will always be, once it wraps around the planet, there will always be light. So with a combination of solar panels and the wind panels, because the wind's got to be a certain distance apart, and the solar panels can then fill in the area. This will allow me to, well, basically start getting rid of some of the rest of this power gen I've got kicking around. I'll still use some of it, of course, but it'll definitely allow me to get rid of some of it. Might as well clean up a little bit around here while I'm here and get myself some fuel. Okay, so we got this kicking through. And I need to wait just until I get at least some of these done, just so I can simply mark out this location. Okay, well, this is going to take a little bit, so I'm just going to pause here. And we're back. So let's start with these foundations. Let's see. Well, I can expand or I can shrink. Oh, hello. That's 5 and 5. Really? Lack of item? Oh, okay. What? Wow, that took a lot. Okay. Wow, I can't even remove those. Okay. That's definitely something I'm going to have to get built, but hey, at least it's marked. But that's just a teensy bit expensive. In fact, I should probably move this setup from what I'm building over here down there, just simply so it's nearer for where I'm at. But the fact it's got copper down there. So I think I'm actually going to do that. Yeah, it's just a teensy bit expensive. Just letting my red research build up, because these are all just using blue research, as you can see. I'll get some more started in a bit. Okay, there's stone, there's copper. Oh, another crude oil. That's can be useful. I need an iron though. So, do we happen to be lucky enough to have an iron vein kicking around in here? That's crude oil. Stone's only one part of what I need. I need iron. Well, there's iron. And we have another stone pile around here so I can start getting those platforms built. There's coal. Well, it looks like it's going to be the stone over there and the iron here. Which is rather unfortunate, but I'm going to need a lot of this stuff, so it's kind of worth it to set up. Let's see. Okay, you can press shift to ignore grid snapping. That's kind of useful. Get that put in place. Ooh. It's not quite as useful because it's actually where I need to go. So let's pull that up and we'll shift it over to there. Okay. We'll get wind going for there for now. Which is not going to get us that. We will go into our production. We're going to need a smelter. I'm probably going to need a few smelters just to work with everything. Let's go back into our fabricators. We'll get you made. You're going to need more power. More power! Okay. So since we are focusing strictly on these right now, next step is to get them into the beams, which is also at the smelting facility. Get that there. You know what, let's just chuck down 2 of those. You're going to make steel beams. And more power. Those are going to go into a assembling machine. Yeah, that's going to be going into an assembler. Yeah, this is not exactly the cleanest in the world, but meh. And let's see here. Oh, my energy will be depleted soon. Come on. Okay. Did I run out of those already? Yeah, I must have. And I need more copper. I don't need copper for that. I need more iron. Okay. Let's get more of this power laid out. How much am I using? Producing 2.4 and I need like 7. Well, that actually explains quite a bit. Yeah, okay.
Rare veins scatter around different planets. They will greatly improve production efficiency. So if you find them, collect them and put them as a part of industrial production.
I'll get that set up there. And let's get this hooked into our main power grid. Just going to be a little bit of a... well, just a little bit of a jaunt. You're two separate grids. Here, quit that. There we go. Okay. So let's get the stone starting to pull out and get it sent along. Oops. Wrong button. That's actually good enough. Okay, I need more of you. And I need more iron for that. Hey, no, get out of that. I'm gonna have to go get some iron now. So that's my hang up. Need more of this stuff. Yeah, I should be able to add another line or two there. Yeah, let's get our cookers. I think the next time I play, I'm gonna start operating quite a bit differently right off the bat. That's going to get me some of the cookers made. Oops. There we go. That should hopefully get my research back up and running a little bit faster. Actually, while I'm over here, I should probably just grab some coal. Just chuck that and use it for energy. Now, I know I'm going to need more of those. So I only have 62, and I have a feeling I'm going to need just a few more. So get them going while I get back over here and start getting things set up. And I'm out of power again. Hey, yeah, power might be useful. That's gonna get kind of irritating. Almost wish I had a planetary grade. I wonder if that's an option. I'll save the logs for the next time I lose power. Let the current system fill me back up. Okay. Let's get, let's do 3. Okay. Okay. It's going to get stone going. Tuck one there. That should get everything going from there. Okay, that's going to get the stone going. I gotta remember, can't construct all that fast. We'll get our put a wireless node there so I'm still in the charge radius. You're running out of power? Again? You're all hooked in. Hey, yeah, I'm going way above my power. Okay, well, we'll have to get this line finished, then we'll have to work on extending our power supply. But then again, that's exactly what all this is working towards. Let's see. That should at least get everything up and running, that aspect of things. Just recharge my power. Yeah, you're definitely underpowered at the moment. Let's see here. Not the chemical plant I want, it's you. So we'll get 5 more of those made. We'll get them connected into the power line. Then between episodes, I think I'm going to get the went the wrong direction. Between episodes, I'll get the solar and wind production up and running. And then once that's done, I'll start showing you what I'm going to do. And I need more coal.
Your production compound has reached a certain scale. Now click the Statistics panel button at the bottom right corner of the screen to view statistics. It includes the output consumption of each item, electricity data, etc. Use these dynamic data can help you to manage your production base.
I need more iron. And need even more iron. Ooh. I have some coal. Okay, that's good. Just pick those up. Yeah. I suppose I can wait for that to get complete. But I'm going to get a splitter in here, and then I'm going to merge all these 3 lines to go this way, because then these are going to grab. It should also give me all the fuel I need. And I think I made more of those. Could have sworn I made more. Yes, I did. Put that in place. There we go. At least then it's going to get some extra material. You know what? Let's do it this way. Make another one of those. Place that there. We'll get that hooked in. This line will dedicate strictly over to the power, which is then going to keep that filled and saturated. Where this is, any excess is just going to merge onto there, or just get entirely used by that. Okay, let's get our additional power gens in. And that's now getting us 30 megawatts, where we're only using about 16-ish. Which is a lot better than where we were sitting before. Of course, it's really freaking messy, but nothing I can do about it at this point in time. It'll get cleaned up in a bit. So, that being said, like I said, between this episode and the next, I'm going to turn around and get wind turbines, and I'm going to get solar panels automated. And from there, we'll start on our mega power supply setup. So I'm just going to come over here and make sure that this is actually doing what I wanted it to do. Yeah, you're not doing what I wanted it to do. Let's kill you. Make sure both power grids are hooked up. And there we go. Now, one thing you can do is You can turn around and restrict the capacities. But if you have restricted here, oh no, what am I going to do? I'm wasting all this space? Well, you can still put your own items in here and use it as storage. So, yeah. Yeah, we got that set up today, and like I said, I'm going to work on the solar panels and wind turbines because we got these set up, and we'll be back here for next episode. So this is Zeofate signing out.